Check into the gym, work out for 1 hour, check out. Sound like you? This is what most people would think of the gym as. But there are hundreds of things and different independent variables that you could change in that 1 to 2 hour period inside the gym over weeks that could drastically change how much muscle you gain and how much progress you can gain too. A phase lots of people automatically slip into when they first get a gym membership is that they view the gym as a clock in and clock out process, like a job, and they don't immerse themselves enough into exactly what they should be doing when they're in the gym to achieve that godlike figure they see when they scroll down their feeds. So if this is you, please stop wasting your time. If you want to get stronger and get in shape fast early on in your gym journey, you are going to need to snap out of this mindset. What are you training today, Luke? Whatever I feel like, I guess. Pause. Please stop this. I made this exact mistake when I was going to my college gym at 16, and loads of people do the exact same thing in their first weeks and months in the gym. They see all these different machines dedicated to all different muscles and want a piece of them all. They hop from machine to machine to machine like a confused frog. Make sure early on you pick a workout split that fits your goals and the muscles you want to hit and improve upon. Make sure you have set out the days that you're going to train certain muscles. For example, with a push-pull leg split, have push on Monday, pull on Wednesday, maybe have your legs on one day at the weekend, and be strategic. Go in there with a plan. Now, in my opinion, one of the most important things you can hear when you first start going to the gym in your first weeks and months is the 2 words progressive overload. It may sound super simple and patronizing, but every session you have to try and better your last. If you want to make progress, you have to be progressive. Every workout, try and aim to put the weight up by 1, progressing on last session. And if you can't put the weight up because it's too hard or you just can't on that machine, then use the same weight but for more reps. A rule that has always worked for me, but be sure to let me know in the comments if you have a better way, is that every time I can do 10 to 12 reps of a lift, I move on to the next level and the next weight up. If I struggle and can't get that new weight up to 5 or 6 clean reps, then that is my kind of cut-off point where I move back down for a little bit and work with the lower weight for a little bit until I can comfortably surpass that 6 reps on the heavier weight. But if you're new to the gym, make sure to take your time in the first weeks just to learn the exercises and get the perfect form with low weight, to learn and perfect your execution of these reps and the form of which you're doing your exercises to, before you move heavier and heavier and go for those heavier weights to stop you feeling the long-lasting damage of doing exercises to poor form and injuring yourself. Great tip that I found to keep progressing every single week and every session, to note down all my sets and my PRs on different exercises. This helped me every session to instantly see exactly how much weight I could do last week on that exercise and each machine, and eventually more recently allowed me to max out some machines due to this persistent progression over a long period of time. One thing you have to remember though when you're implementing progressive overload and shooting for PRs every session is that you are not invincible, and unfortunately you are not a superhero. Do not expect to hit PRs every single session. Unfortunately, we do not progress this quick, and you can really risk injuring yourself as you sacrifice your form for your ego. Don't shoot for too much too soon. Going for 90 kilograms when you were struggling to get up 60 kilograms last week, that's like me under 300 subs shooting for 100,000 subs by the end of the week. That just isn't going to happen.
Or is it?
If you really want to get that goal body and physique, learn to embrace the gym and turn it into a passion instead of a chore. Search for exactly how much you need to eat, how much protein you need to have, how you should do certain workouts to train certain muscles, and how to gain muscle fast and get looking massive. Looking bigger as quick as possible is something loads of us shoot for at the start of our gym journey, so we want to impress everyone on how muscular and big we look. To learn how to do that as quick as possible, watch this video right there. Hit that subscribe button to get me closer to that 300 goal. Like the video if it helped, and peace.